Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Educative. Today we are going to learn about Introduction to C. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972 at the Bell Laboratories of AT&T, American Telephone and Telegraph. C is a general-purpose procedural programming language. The main features of C language include low-level access to memory, simple set of keywords, and clean style. These features make C language suitable for system programming like operating system or compiler development. C programming is considered as the base of other programming languages. That is why it is known as mother language. It can be defined by the following ways: mother language, system programming language, procedural oriented programming language, structured programming language, mid-level programming language. We are going to see one by one. C as a mother language. C language is considered as the mother language of all modern programming languages because most of the compilers, JVMs, kernels, etc. are written in C language, and most of the programming languages follow C syntax. For example, C++, Java, C#, etc. It provides the core concept like the array, strings, function, file handling, etc. that are being used in many languages like C++, Java, C#, etc. C as a system programming language. A system programming language is used to create a system software. C language is a system programming language because it can be used to do low-level programming, for example, driver and kernel. It is generally used to create hardware devices, OS, drivers, kernels, etc. For example, Linux kernel is written in C. It can't be used for internet programming like Java, .NET, PHP, etc. C as a procedural language. A procedure is known as a function, method, routine, subroutine, etc. A procedural language specifies a series of steps for the program to solve the problem. A procedural language breaks the program into function, data structures, etc. C is a procedural language. In C, variables and function prototypes must be declared before being used. C as a structured programming language. A structured programming language is a subset of the procedural language. Structure means to break a program into parts or blocks so that it may be easy to understand. In C language, we break the program into parts using functions. It makes the program easier to understand and modify. C as a mid-level programming language. C is considered as a middle-level language because it supports the feature of both low-level and high-level languages. C language program is converted into assembly code. It supports pointer arithmetic, low-level, but it is a machine independent, a feature of high-level programming language. A low-level language is specific to one machine, that is, machine dependent. It is machine dependent, fast to run, but it is not easy to understand. A high-level language is not specific to one machine, that is, machine independent, it is easy to understand. The structure of C program is as follows. It mainly consists of 5 parts: header, main, variable declaration, body, and return. Let us see the first program in C. Hash include stdio.h. This includes the standard input-output library function. The printf function is defined in stdio.h. Int main. The main function is entry point to every program in the language. Printf. The printf function is used to print the data on the console. Return 0. The return 0 statement returns the execution status to the OS. The value 0 is used to successful execution and 1 for unsuccessful execution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel Tech Educative.